Welcome to this video on software engineering. Today, we are answering a question that every developer eventually faces. Why is legacy code so hard to maintain? We will explore technical debt, the challenges of outdated systems, and why working on old codebases can feel like navigating a maze. First, let us define what we mean by legacy code. It is not just code that is old. Code written yesterday can be legacy code today if it meets certain criteria. Michael Feathers, a famous author in this field, defines legacy code simply as code without tests. Generally, it refers to code that is difficult to understand, difficult to change, and often lacks the original developers who wrote it. The first major challenge is the knowledge gap. Software is complex logic. When the original authors leave the company, they take their mental model of the system with them. If there is no documentation explaining why certain decisions were made, new developers are left guessing. This forces you to reverse engineer every single line to ensure you do not break a hidden feature. Technology evolves rapidly. Legacy systems often run on frameworks or languages that are no longer supported. This creates security risks because vulnerabilities are not patched. It also makes your job harder because modern tools, integrated development environments, and plugins might not even work with the ancient code structure. Over time, as many different people make quick fixes, code tends to become tangled. We call this spaghetti code. This high coupling means that everything is connected to everything else. You cannot simply change one variable without potentially breaking a completely unrelated feature 3 modules away. It makes isolation and repair incredibly risky. This is perhaps the biggest factor. Legacy systems rarely have comprehensive automated tests. This creates a culture of fear. You hesitate to refactor or clean up the code because you have no safety net. You do not know if your cleanup accidentally broke a critical business rule, so the code stays messy forever. Legacy applications often rely on old third-party libraries. When you try to update one library to fix a bug, it might be incompatible with another old library you are using. You end up trapped in dependency hell, where you cannot update anything without rewriting the entire system. All of these factors combine to increase the cost of change. In a clean, modern codebase, adding a simple button might take 2 hours. In a legacy system, that same task could take 3 days. Most of that time is not spent coding. It is spent reading, analyzing, and testing manually to ensure the house of cards does not collapse. Think of legacy code as the result of accumulated technical debt. Every time a shortcut was taken to meet a deadline, debt was incurred. Over time, that debt compounds. Now, you are paying the interest on that debt in the form of slower development speed and higher frustration. The bill has come due. So, is it hopeless? No, but you must be strategic. Do not try to rewrite everything at once. Use the Boy Scout rule. Always leave the code a little cleaner than you found it. Add automated tests to the specific areas you are working on to build a safety net gradually. And start documenting your findings today so the next developer does not have to struggle as much as you did.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.